In section 5.2, we're going to continue our discussion of trig functions. We've got some different types of examples. Our first one, we have cotangent of theta is equal to 1/4. We want the values of the other trig functions. Well, remember that cotangent is 1 over tangent. So it's tangent flipped over. So instead of, remember that tangent of theta is y over x. So cotangent of theta is x over y. So this is x, and this is y, and then we just need r. R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared. R squared is equal to 1 plus 16. R squared is equal to 17. And so r is equal to the square root of 17. So for our other trig functions, that means that sine of theta is equal to 4 over the square root of 17. And cosine theta is equal to 1 over the square root of 17. Tangent theta is 4 over 1, or just 4. Cosecant theta is equal to the square root of 17 over 4. And secant theta is equal to the square root of 17 over 1, which is the square root of 17. Here we're given sine and cosine. We want the other trig functions. Well, remember that cosecant is sine flipped over. It's 1 over sine of theta. So 1 over 0.523 is 1.912. And secant theta is 1 over cosine theta. So 1 over 0.814, which is 1.229. Tangent theta is equal to sine over cosine, which is 0.523 over 0.814, and that is 0.643. And then cotangent of theta is equal to cosine over sine, 0.814 over 0.523, which is 1.556. With these, we're just evaluating the sine of 17 degrees and 1.2 radians. You will want to make sure that your calculator is in the correct mode. Here it needs to be in degrees, so make sure your calculator is in degree mode, and then type in the sine of 17, and you should get 0.2924. Here, change your mode to radians, and then type in cosine 1.2, and you should get 0.3624. Cosecant of theta is 1 over the sine of theta, so you'll type into your calculator 1 over the sine of 2 pi over 3. And when you press enter, your mode should be in radians for this. You'll get 1.155. And then cotangent of 22 degrees, make sure your mode is in degrees. And then 1 divided by tangent of 22. And you get 2.475.